Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 6th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather for the weekend could not be better with a warming trend. Showers return by about Tuesday of next week. Check it out, water vapor satellite view. Again, we're looking at that big Omega block over the North American continent. Big upper low over California, one over the East Coast around Chesapeake Bay, ridging in between those. And that pattern is sending some of the smoke down this way from those big wildfires in Canada, some of the smoke affecting parts of Alabama and Georgia today. That wildfire underneath the upper ridge. Temperature is still way below average. You know, we ought to be around 80. This time of the year, readings are closer to 70 today. Birmingham at 71. It's only 66 degrees up in Fort Payne, where they had 37 early this morning to start the day. Next time we see lows in the 30s will probably be sometime in October. Around the nation, you can see the effect of the Omega block. Very warm air up into Minnesota. In fact, Minneapolis-St. Paul just hit 90, but it's nice and cool for the West Coast and the eastern states, including Alabama. But the block will gradually break down, and we will warm up over the weekend. On the watch warning map, very quiet. Red flag warnings for parts of Minnesota underneath the ridge. Also parts of the southwest United States. Maybe a few strong storms later today and tonight out west. Tomorrow, got a slight risk around Cincinnati. Also one northeast of Denver. And on day 3, which is Sunday, this could be a fairly active convective day from near San Angelo, Texas, up to Lincoln, Nebraska. Standard slight risk of severe weather there. And on day 4, Monday of next week, a risk of severe weather over Arkansas and some of the adjacent states, but there is no risk defined beyond Monday, and the odds of severe weather here look fairly low at this point. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning. A little bit for North Alabama, but the southern part of the state will likely be dry. Needless to say, great time to head down to the Gulf Coast. 5 dry days in May, that's a good thing. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Still got the blocking pattern, and down below that, the day will be sunny with a dry air mass. Low 80s are likely as a warming trend begins. And Sunday, sunny with mid-80s likely. Monday of next week, we're dry and warm. High, probably low 80s. We'll call it partly sunny. We note that deep surface low over Kansas, and south and east of that, there could be some severe storms over Arkansas and some of the adjacent states. But on Tuesday, that low fills and drifts northeast. And you can see showers and storms creeping in here. So we'll introduce the chance of showers and thunder on Tuesday. But with weakening dynamics, severe weather is not likely. Then we stay in a moist air mass for the rest of the week. This is Wednesday, a chance of showers, but probably nothing too organized. And the same thing on Thursday, a chance of showers, maybe some thunder, but maybe some sun at times. And a week from today, Friday, May 13th, upper low just north of the Great Lakes. And for us, that looks relatively dry and warm with highs in the 80s. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday, May 16th. The new trough in the western U.S. for us. Maybe a few showers, but probably nothing too organized. Bottom line is we don't see a classic severe weather look for the next 10 days, which is good, in that we are still in the spring tornado season. And hope you enjoy these cool mornings because they are vanishing. You can see through mid-month highs go in the 80s and lows in the 60s, where we should be for the month of May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. My next video will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.